Hello guys, this is SRINIVAStheDEVELOPER from the Developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK Daily challenge of 5th June 2021. Here, this is the problem, string first and last pattern. To be honest, I'm kind of disappointed with this problem because there is nothing in it. Like in this problem, it must accept a string as a s as an input. Then the program must print the character of S and L lines. L is nothing but the length of the character. It just print the first and last character on first line, and then it has to print first two character and the last two character on the same line, and it has to print the first three character and last three character on the fourth line, like that. Like here the first character is O and the last character is E, so O is presented and O R G E. It should be printed in a reverse order, so it will be like R O E G, like that. We have to do that. So let's skip the explanation part and we'll solve this in a programmatical way. S equal to input of dot split orange. Like if I have to print first character, I can print 1. Oops. What just happened? Oops. Sorry guys, it has to be strip. This is nothing but the muscle memory, I guess. Whenever I just type input.s, I just complete with split. I don't know why. So if I just print this, it will give you the first character. Likewise, if I just print -1, and if I just swap the position of colon, we'll get the last character. So we are going to do that. If I need first two character, I just have to simply put 2 or likewise I have to put -2, we get G, which is nothing but the last two character and first two character. So I'm going to make a loop for I in range of 1 comma len of s plus 1, and I have to print s of is to I. This should be reversed, right? So we all know that if I specify colon -1, we'll get the reverse order, and s of minus of I, and this should be reversed, right? So if I do that, we'll get what we want. Code for your review. S equal to input dot strip for I in range of 1 comma len of s plus 1, and then print s of is to I reverse plus s of minus I is to reverse. Okay, since the problem is simple, why don't we make it complex? Like, why don't we make some one line? Since we need a loop, for that I'm going to use map function. I'm just going to implement the same logic in a map. Print of list of map. Here I'm going to specify the function lambda x is to s of is to x reverse plus s of minus x is to, and then reverse. Since we have implemented this, we don't need this. Here I'm going to pass the I value, which is nothing but the list of range 1 to len of s plus 1. So if I run this, here I'm going to pass the input orange. We got OE. Yeah, we got the desired output, but we still need this in a separate line, right? So print of star comma separation equal to new line. Orange. Yeah, we got it, but it's still a two liner, right? We don't need that. So for that, lambda s is to okay. Let's run this for Apple this time. Yeah, we got it, guys. Here, this is the one liner. I will separate this into two line for your view. Sorry, three line for your view. If you just combine these things into a single line, you will get the proper one liner. And for the sake of simplicity, I'm going to do the normal code also. S equal to input of dot strip for I in range of 1 comma len of s plus 1. Print this one here. Sorry, instead of replacing all the x with I, I'm going to replace I with x. That's what a lazy man do, right? Yeah, that's it, guys. Either you can use this one liner or you can use this three liner. The both are in three line, right? But you can combine this thing into a single line. Yeah, you can do that for this also. Like you can do like this, so it will be two liner. And if you specify no, you can't do that. Okay, that's it, guys. We'll see you soon with something else tomorrow. If you need me to explain any concept or any program, either in LeetCoder, Hackerang or something, you can drop the link in the comments, so I will go through that problem and I will try to make a video for you. Bye, guys.